In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in PayPal. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to bill a customer quickly and professionally right from your PayPal account. Start by logging into your PayPal account using your usual details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Quick Access section. In this area, you should see an option labeled Invoicing. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to PayPal's Invoicing Center, where you manage and create invoices. In the Invoicing section, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Create New. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice template that you can now customize for your customer. The first thing PayPal will ask for is your customer's information. In the Bill To or Customer field, type in your customer's name or email address. If they're already in your contacts, PayPal may suggest them automatically, which can save you time. Otherwise, just type the full email address carefully, since this is where the invoice will be sent. Next, scroll down to the Items section. At the top right of this card, select the currency you want to invoice in, such as dollars, euros, or any other supported currency. Under the item details, choose how you want to charge. You can bill by amount only, by quantity, or by hours. Pick the one that best fits what you're selling or the service you're providing. For example, if you select amount only, you'll be asked for the item name and the total amount. Enter a clear description so your customer knows exactly what they're paying for. If you plan to use this item again in future invoices, you can turn on the option to save the item for future invoices. Then click Add to include it in this invoice. If you're shipping a physical product, you can also add your customer's address by clicking Add Address. This helps keep everything in one place for your records and for the customer. You can add a note to your customer if you want to give extra context, such as a thank you message or a quick summary of the work done. If you need more detailed options, click More Options to expand this section. Here you can add terms and conditions, a reference number, and a memo to yourself that only you will see. You can also upload files such as a detailed breakdown or a contract, if relevant. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an invoice summary that updates as you go. Here, you can apply a discount, add shipping costs, or include any other additional amounts that should be part of the total. This summary helps you double-check the final price before sending it. You can also adjust payment options, such as allowing partial payments if you want your customer to pay in installments, or enabling tips if you accept gratuities for your services. Once you've reviewed all the details and everything looks correct, head back to the top right corner of the invoice page. Click the Send button. PayPal will email the invoice directly to your customer, and they'll be able to pay it online using their preferred method supported by PayPal. That's the complete process for creating and sending an invoice in PayPal.